In this guide, I will show you how to fix Samsung TV Plus is not available due to a network problem. So just follow through with the guidelines provided. Method 1. Check internet connection. As it can also be a network issue, make sure that your network connection is up to the mark. See whether your device is connected to the internet or not and if the internet signal is active or not. Poor internet connection will result in the occurrence of this error. If you're using a wireless connection, I suggest you try move the router closer to your Samsung TV or switching to a wired connection. Method 2. Power cycle your device. Turn off your Samsung TV and router Wi-Fi and unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Now, wait for 5 minutes and plug the power cable into the wall outlet. After that, turn on your Samsung TV and router Wi-Fi and check if this resolves the issue. Method 3. Clear cache memory of your Samsung Smart TV. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV, then head to the support. Move to the self-diagnostics. Next, access TV Device Manager. Now, go to Memory Boost and select Clean Now. This will clear the cache of TV and improve the performance. After that, go to the Clean Running Apps and then go to Manage Storage and free up some storage space. Once the process completes, check if this resolves the issue. Method 4. Start Smart Hub Connection Test. Try to perform a Smart Hub connection test on your Samsung TV. The Smart Hub helps establish the connection with its servers, and if it fails to establish the connection, it might stop the TV Plus app from working. In this case, performing the Smart Hub connection test can fix the issue. Method 5. Use Google DNS. Press the menu button on the remote and head to the Network tab. Now, select the network status, then select the IP settings button. After that, navigate to the DNS setting option and choose Enter manually. Enter 888 and press Enter to apply the changes. Now, turn off your Samsung TV and wait for 60 seconds. Turn on the TV and check if this resolves the issue. Method 6. Disable IPv6 connection. Navigate to the settings and head to the General. Now, select the network option, then choose Expert Settings. After that, disable the IPv6 and check if this fixes the issue. Method 7. Change the date and time of your Samsung Smart TV. The Samsung TV Plus might not work if your TV's date and time settings are not properly configured. In this context, editing the date, time settings of your TV may solve the problem. Method 8. Update your Samsung TV. Sometimes Samsung's technical support acknowledges the issue before users, and they release the update to fix the problem. So, try to check if any latest update is available for your TV. There are also instances where outdated firmware causes the issue and stops TV Plus from working. Method 9. Reset network settings. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV. Then head to the General tab. Now, go to the network and select Reset Network. After that, select Confirm to reset the network and wait until the process completes. Lastly, connect your TV to a network, wireless or wired, and check if your Samsung TV Plus is working fine. Method 10. Reset Smart Hub. Navigate to the settings of your Samsung TV and scroll to the support. Now, go to Device Care and select Self-Diagnostics. Afterward, head to the Reset Smart Hub and enter the PIN, if asked, 0. Wait until the reset process completes. Now, restart your TV and set up your Smart Hub. Currently, your Samsung TV Plus should be working fine. Method 11. Factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. If nothing helps you out, it's time to perform a complete reset of your Samsung TV. If the firmware of your Samsung TV gets corrupted and stops the TV Plus from working, then resetting the TV to its default settings may solve your problem.